Soren Kierkegaard, one of the great theologians of the 19th century, used the metaphor that trusting in God is like floating in 70,000 fathoms of water. If you struggle, if you tense up and thrash about, you will eventually sink. But if you relax and trust, you will float. Friends, we are offered the blessing of trusting in the buoyancy of God, of placing at the very center of our lives our radical trust in God's loving care for us, even and especially in the times we feel forsaken and forgotten. For we are a beloved people. We come from a tiny tribe whom God has engraved on God's heart. And we have known that love in Jesus Christ. We have been offered his peace, which passes all understanding. We find our power in knowing that our God is with us, holding us in the dark and threatening times, in the medical waiting rooms where a diagnosis is due, where a treatment begins, in the unemployment office when our hope is low, in times when we have too much work and cannot bear the burden, in times of grief and loss and feeling forgotten. We are held. We are known. And we are loved by the one whose love knows no limit, even when it led to death on a cross. May our hearts be transformed by that gift, and may we be set free to love and live fully in God's care.